Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about different modes of effecting service of summons on defendant. First point, personal or direct service. Wherever it is practicable, service should be made on the defendant in person, unless he has an agent empowered to accept service, in which case service on such an agent shall be sufficient. Where there are two or more defendants, service should be made on each defendant. Where the defendant cannot be found and has no agent empowered to accept service of the summons on his behalf, the service may be made on any adult male member of his family, but not a servant. In a suit for immovable property, service may be made on any agent in charge of the property if the service cannot be made on the defendant personally and the defendant has no agent empowered to accept the service. Such a personal service is also called direct service because service is made by delivering a copy thereof to the defendant personally or to an agent or other person on his behalf, and the signature of the person to whom the copy is so delivered is obtained to an acknowledgement of service endorsed on the original summons. Second point, service by affixing a copy of summons on defendant's house without an order of the court. A. Where the defendant or his agent or in their absence an adult male member of the family refuses to sign the acknowledgement, or B. Where the service officer after using due diligence cannot find the defendant and there is no such other person on whom service can be effected, the service officer shall affix a copy of the summons on the outer door or some other conspicuous part of the house in which the defendant ordinarily resides or carries on business or personally works for gain, and shall then return the original to the court from which it was issued, with a report endorsed thereon stating that he has so affixed the copy, the circumstances under which he did so, and the name and address of the person by whom the house was identified in whose presence the copy was affixed. If the court is satisfied, it declares the service to have been duly effected. Order 5, Rule number 17 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. Third point, substituted service. Where the court is satisfied that there is a reason to believe that the defendant is keeping out of the way for the purpose of avoiding service, or that for any reason the summons cannot be served in ordinary way, the court shall order the summons to be served by affixing copy thereof in some conspicuous place in the courthouse and also upon some conspicuous part of the house in which the defendant is known to have last resides or carried on business or personally worked for gain, or in such other manner as the court thinks fit. Service may be ordered to be effected by publication in a local newspaper. Order 5, Rule 20 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. Fourth point, service by post. In particular cases, the court may direct service of summons by post. Thank you.